Yoga is benefiting mankind since ages. It is a culture which has diversified ocean of remedies that can naturally heal human pain. Sarvangasana is an advanced approach in yoga packed with plenitude of health benefits. It is an attitude of total body Sarva Anga Asana training. Thanks to its major health benefits, Sarvangasana qualifies to be an everyday yogasana as it strengthens all the internal parts of your body, thereby keeping it sound and healthy. Sarvangasana is also known as the shoulder stand yoga pose. Steps to perform Sarvangasana, the shoulder stand pose. Step 1. Begin by lying down on your back. Step 2. Raise the legs together enough to make 45-degree angle with the ground and rest for few seconds. Step 3. Continue raising the legs together to make a right angle with the ground. Ensure to keep the knees straight and the body undisturbed. Again, rest for few seconds. Step 4. Raise the waist and the hips from the floor and take the legs backward over the head. Put all the body weight on head, shoulders and arms with the legs thrown upward. Step 5. Raise the back and the legs up to its peak into a vertical position, placing the hand on the upper back for support. The chin should rest against the chest, creating a chin lock, and it is also called as Jalandhara Bandha. Fix the eyesight on the toes while concentrating on breathing. Maintain this pose for 1 to 2 minutes. Balance the entire body weight upon the palms, the elbows, the neck and the back of the head. This is the final position. Step 6. Gently lower the waist and the hips towards the floor and take the legs backward over the head. Step 7. Slowly lower the legs together enough to make a right angle with the ground. Step 8. Lower the legs together to make a 45-degree angle with the ground and rest for few seconds. Step 9. Release the hand from the back and return to starting position. Step 10. Relax considerably by taking few deep breaths, followed by normal breathing. Step 11. Perform Matsyasana as a counter pose for stretching locked chin. Caution while performing Sarvangasana. Sarvangasana benefits us in several ways. However, there are some do's and don'ts to follow to add this asana in your yoga routine. Always do counter pose, that is Matsyasana, after performing Sarvangasana. Raise the trunk sufficient enough vertically to comfortably rest the chin against the chest. Slowly inhale while lifting and exhale while lowering the body. Follow the steps gradually, attain the pose of Sarvangasana. Urgencies can lead to untoward strains or wrenches in the ligaments. To avail real benefits of Sarvangasana, it is advisable to take necessary precautions before reaching the final pose. Recommended to practice this pose under proper guidance in the beginning. Women are advised to refrain from performing Sarvangasana during menstruation and pregnancy. Do not try this pose without proper medical consultation if one is suffering from a very enlarged thyroid, suffering enlarged spleen or liver, suffering from high blood pressure, or suffering from cardiac diseases or other heart-related ailments, suffering from cervical spondylitis, slipped disc, headache, and weak blood vessels in the eyes, feeling weakness or having any discomfort in your wrist or back, having defective spinal cord or having any prevailing discomfort in your spine, then do not try this pose. General instructions for Yogasana. For best results, Yogasana should be performed with empty stomach. Therefore, preferred time for all asanas is during early rise of dawn, or ensure minimum gap of half an hour after consuming water, 2 hours after eating light food, or 4 to 5 hours after meals. Clear bowel before beginning. Normal breathing should be ensured throughout the yoga sessions unless otherwise mentioned. Inhale whenever moving opposite to the ground and exhale whenever moving towards the ground. Jerks to be avoided always. Yoga should be always practiced in slack and comfortable attire to avoid varicose veins and other nerve or circulatory disorders. Every pose should be followed by a counter pose like forward bending, backward bending, left side or right side, etc. Advisable to try new asana always in presence of expert. Do not allow children in vicinity while performing. Practice Yogasana daily to stay fit, healthy and happy. The results of Yogasana are slow and steady.
Hello friends, if you have liked the asanas and explanation, please don't forget to subscribe the channel and share with your friends and family. Thank you. See you shortly with another new asana. Thank you.